Queendom! Let's go!
Yes!
Ella May sa son ng mga songs sa prod na to. Yung kumanta ng Till My Heart Takes End. Yung singer.
If the feeling is gone,
Oh, that's her, oh.
and it hurts to admit it, I can tell that the feeling is gone. All my answer is just a little honesty. Though I know that you're not coming back to me. You know I'll do everything to make you stay, but I just have to let you go. If the feeling is gone, all I ask is just a little
Ang sexy.
honesty.
Puto niya, dyan.
That you're not coming back to me. You know that I'll do everything to make you stay. But I just have to let you go. I just have to let you go.
Binirit niya. Grabe yung pag-harmonize si Julie sa taas. In fairness kay Ella May, may edad na siya pero marunong pa rin talaga. Yung gesture ni Julie kay Ella May, ang ganda. Hala, song na pala to? Wait lang.
You came along unexpectedly. I was doing fine in my little world.
I don't know the song.
That's the only place I know where you
Hala, wala.
Di ko siya
Kasi nga ako din.
Sabi ko sana siya.
Only till I wake up. What can it be?
Okay.
Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers? Only friends. You came along at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Key change.
At the wrong time.
Yan na. Lamunan. Wow.
Pero kahit yung dalawa nagbirit-birit, pero ang ganda pa rin
Maganda.
pakinggan.
Oh my gosh, ang taas. Check ko nga ng note yun. E5, no? Stunning ovation, no?
Grabe.
Ang galing kasi. Medyo upbeat to. I like the stage actually.
Why do people fall in love and
Oh,
Sexy.
cry?
grabe yung book niya, oh. Pang Reyna.
Uy, grabe yung ano ng mga makeup.
Totoo. Shoutout sa mga makeup artists and gumawa ng mga hair nila.
Model lang siya.
In the morning, you were out on my side. Turn away from me, sadly as I see, away from where I stay.
Alam niyo pala to?
So don't we saying goodbye? I
Okay.
believe it hurts when we cry. Don't we know parting's never so easy? And with all the achings inside, I believe some hearts will survive.
Grabe.
Mga goosebumps.
That's what's gonna be fun.
Ang hirap na note na yan. Blue note yata to. Oh, yeah. Key change. Wow.
Someone's always saying goodbye. I believe it hurts when we cry. Don't we know? Oh yeah, so easy. And all the aches inside, I believe some hearts won't survive. Trying hard to pretend I forgot I'll be gone.
Really? Grabe yung Rita. Ang galing. Kalmado lang siya. Ang galing mag-alto ni Rita. Naka-smile. Normal mo.
Hoy, grabe kayo ha.
Grabe! Nakakatawa sila.
Sing along, everybody, come on! I recall when you said that you would never leave me. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday.
Wow.
And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone, and oh, so far away. Yeah. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurt from within. I have to keep on dreaming
Ganda ng boses.
till my heart aches. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared
Ayun na.
to face this kind of hurt from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you.
Grabe ay! Hindi pala hipo.
Slave.
Just keep on dreaming. Keep on dreaming till my heart.
Nice one there for that.
Grabe, abot dito.
Oh my
Grabe.
gosh! Nakakatuwa no si Ella May dahil she's obviously not that young anymore pero she can still sing, may runs, may power yung yung vocals niya, and grabe yung Queen daw.
Grabe.
Pag magaling ka na singer, kaya mo mag-solo, kaya mo rin mag-back vocals for other singers. So, ganun sila katindi. Grabe yung harmonies, goosebumps a lot of times. And
Galing.
I just want to commend Rita, ha. Grabe yung alto notes ni Rita.
Yes.
Sabi niya, wala akong pakialam sa inyong lahat. Basta yung low notes sa akin binigay to today.
Yeah.
So, gagawin ko yung best ko dito. Malakas, matunog yung ano niya, low notes niya. So, balance na balance dun sa mga birit nila, yung Thea and yung iba. So, great job you guys! And we enjoyed it so much. And shoutout pala sa mga Queenies. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan, guys. And see you very soon.
Yeah,
Malapit
we
na
miss you,
December na naman.
guys.
Oo.
Hello.
So, see you again next time. And thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Tayo ko sa'yo